What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that the student loan moratorium extension or the cancellation of this moratorium is a win-win situation for SOFI. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, right at this point when we started to hit this range of support, and I marked this range previously on my previous video, and as you can see I cloned this range to the upside, and we have a very good channel, and right here I've told you that most likely we have to have a bounce to the upside, and this bounce happened. And from the entry point you might be up for about 6%, definitely a very good movement to the upside, but for now we have another opportunity to re-enter the position, and I will show you in my technical analysis how you can do it. So, and let's continue with the recent news, and let me show you that on April the 3rd we have this article on thehill.com, and it's titled "Biden faces rising pressure on student loans with the deadline looming." And let me quote you several paragraphs. President Biden is in a difficult position on student loans ahead of the midterms as pressure builds from borrowers and Democrats for widespread cancellation. Adding to the pressure is a key deadline. On May the 1st, millions of borrowers will have to pay unless a freeze on federal student loan payments put in place during the pandemic is extended. And a growing number of Democrats are calling for a new extension, ramping up pressure on the White House. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki on Friday said a decision needs to be made before May. She said the administration will factor the impacts of economic data on ranges of groups of people, including students. Democrats are warning that inaction could cost them in November, when the party will try to hold on to House and Senate majorities. Representative Ilhan Omar, who has called on Biden to wipe out all student debt in past, said this week she thinks inaction is going to be really dangerous for us in midterms. And I completely agree with this action, because kicking the can down the road is not the solution for this problem, and a lot of Americans are waiting for decision, and this decision should be made before May the 1st. Biden in April requested a memo from the Department of Education to determine his authority to cancel student debt through executive action. Since then, the administration has not publicly announced if the memo is complete. And I have to say that for now, the best solution for this problem is the forgiveness of $10,000, because a lot of people wanted to have some kind of relief in their payments. I mean students who have these loans, but other people, basically the taxpayers who will pay their student loans with their taxes, should know that it is just a partial help to these people, because these students signed a contract and you have to follow the contract rules if you signed it. So, and let me show you that for now we have the lowest, basically the lowest number of daily cases of COVID since basically the mid-2021. And definitely this relief might also be a catalyst to cancel this moratorium. On top of that, let me show you that we still have a lot of institutional investors who continue to buy this stock, I mean SOFI stock, because right here on institutional ownership we have this green bar that represents the number of institutional investors who put their money into SOFI. And we can see a clear uptrend despite of lower prices of SOFI stock, and definitely it is a very good sign. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that this channel is basically a bearish channel. And that's why you have to be cautious with any of your long positions, because these channels usually break to the downside. And I have to say that this support line for now holds pretty good. And if you want to enter your swing trade position, you can enter it right here at these very points, at the price points below $10 mark. And your stop loss should be at this previous swing low. And it might be up to, let me show it to you, up to 6% of potential losses, but the upside potential is quite massive. First resistance that we should break is this one. It is at $10.5 and it is $7.27. And it doesn't worth your attention if your main goal is this range. Next range of resistance is this level. As you can see, this previous swing low, and it is 14.15% of potential profits. But the main price target that we should hit in a medium-term perspective is this previous swing high. And basically it is the range in between $13 and $13.5. And from our current price, we might have up to 33% to this range. And in this case, risk-to-reward ratio for the swing traders becomes very lucrative. And for the long-term investors, nothing has changed for SOFI, because even if the moratorium will be extended, SOFI fundamentals won't be affected by this news, and SOFI has only 15% of its revenues from student loan refinancing. That's why, with their huge recent acquisitions of Galileo and Technosis, definitely SOFI won't be affected by this news. But if the moratorium will be cancelled on May the 1st, definitely it will push the price of SOFI even higher. And this means it doesn't matter what will be the decision on this problem. Definitely, in worst case scenario, the extension in moratorium shouldn't affect the price of SOFI in any cases, but the removal of this moratorium will push the price of this company higher. So, and let me show you that we still have our main target, medium-term target for the investors, at the range of about $18.4. And from our current range, we might have up to 87% to this level. And if you want to invest in this asset, just ladder your buys down and enter your position on every daily red candle. This will give you more attractive average price, and this will increase your potential profits in the future. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.